The Engineering Design and Innovation Building is a world-class facility. It has the best of everything. It integrates hands-on learning with pedagogy in ways that just aren't done in other places. It's a really remarkable space.
The ability to do the hands-on activities and to take things that are on paper or in your head as ideas and actually see them become real, things that you can touch and feel and experience and interact with, are really powerful to enhance the learning. It's sort of use all the sides of our brain, right? The artistic side, the analytical side kind of come together in the making of something.
Everything you need is under one roof. You know, the metal fabrication shop, the wood fabrication shop, the 3D printing, additive manufacturing, and then all of those components can be put together in makerspace throughout the building. So you literally have a gamut of tools housed through the Learning Factory here.
The Learning Factory is a place where you can work on things regardless of whether it's for a course, for your first year engineering cornerstone activities, for your fourth year engineering capstone activities, for industry sponsored projects. If you want to start a company and need to build that first prototype, this is the place where you can come and do those things.
We have expanded greatly and we have so many more highly capable machines to do truly whatever you need them to do. And there's more space for projects and students.
The other thing is we have the Strongwall facility within EDI. So the Strongwall has the capability of supporting about 250,000 pounds of pressure, which we can do ultimately full bay concrete steel structures. We can actually test that full frame. There's only so many strong walls in the country, but I can't think of one that is so visible and connected to undergraduate education.
Access to the state-of-the-art facilities that the EDI provides to students is critical for their future, for developing them and preparing them for their careers, and it helps maintain that status of Penn State as a place that graduates students that are ready to work on day one. It's a great experience for our students.